Okay, you gotta check this out. That system that brought in the wind overnight, look at what it did in Albuquerque, blowing dust across the area. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque posted this just before last night, and those high winds not only causing that, but look at this. A National Weather Service employee out of Kansas posted this blowing snow with his puppy there enjoying a quick break outside. And they are blizzard conditions that extends from Kansas, Nebraska into Iowa. On the outskirts of that, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Where you see that blizzard warning, by the way, 1 to 7 inches of snow with wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. And not only that, but the high winds. You see that dark color there, high wind warning for strong winds of 20 to 30, gusts up to 65, sometimes 70 miles per hour. There's a look at what that system is currently doing. It's bringing in that snow across Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and some rain on the outskirts of that, even some severe storms already in Iowa. There's a look at how that system is progressing. We're on the tail end of that, but where that low is situated, that eventually continues to drag itself towards the east. And as that happens, snow continues for areas like Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota. But look at this. The storms then continue Chicago and areas of Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, all going to see the storms on the front side of the system throughout this afternoon. So again, blizzard-like conditions on one side of the system, high winds on the southern side where we are, and that includes an elevated fire threat for areas like Oklahoma. Look at this. Our severe weather outlook for this afternoon does put areas of Illinois anywhere between St. Louis and Chicago under an enhanced level 3 risk for severe weather. I think this one will be a high wind situation, but not ruling out the potential for isolated tornadoes stretching down into areas of the southeast like Mississippi and Alabama. So we'll be watching this system, Morgan. It could be impacting some travel, and that's in your plans today.
All right, Marielle, thank you. Ahead